So I'm really hungry right now, and I googled this place. It looks pretty good. We're gonna go check out, get some barbecue. I just finished volunteering right now. Checked out this food pantry in the church in St. Charles. So I'm in St. Charles right now. I saw a good review on Google, so we'll try it out and see if it's actually good. So what I got today is I got some chicken and brisket. So the brisket is actually Texas style, and the chicken and they also have like a pulled pork, which is going to be a St. Louis style barbecue. I got 3 sides. Yeah, so I got the dinner portion, which actually gives me 2 sides only that I added because I saw in the picture on the Google, the corn, which looks pretty good. So I got the, let me get my glasses on right now. So what I got is I got some barbecue beans, bacon mac and cheese, I think. Or did I get, yeah, I think I got the barbecue beans, bacon mac and cheese. And I think I got the, trying to read it right now. I think the deep fried corn on the cob also. So those are the stuff that I got. So they gave me some extra sauce here, apple cinnamon mixed apple jack sauce. Says good to be paired with the chicken. So here's what I got. We got the bacon mac and cheese. We got the chicken. We got the brisket. Get some toast in there. We got the sauce. We got the beans in here, the barbecue beans, and of course the corn on the cob. That's deep fried. Oh my goodness! Wow, I'm excited. I'm really excited to try this one. Kind of wish there was like cheese on top of it, but it's got like some seasoning, barbecue seasoning maybe, or some, I don't know. We'll try it out and see. All right, so we're gonna try the chicken first. We've got it right here. Quite juicy. I think it's like the applesauce. I can taste it. It really tastes the smokiness. This is a brisket. Now here in America, barbecue is quite a big thing here. So this is the brisket. Chicken just falls apart. Take a look into that. And I'm telling you, that corn though, that was delicious. We got the bacon mac and cheese in here. I don't know if I got a lot, but I think it's okay. Try that beans. Wow, I'm actually surprised. They're actually very good. Let's see, here's the thing that I'm really excited about is this. This fried corn, you can see that. The only thing I wish though is there's some cheese on the corn. You got the sweetness of the corn. I think that deep fried corn is just so good. I think it's got, I don't know, it's like a barbecue seasoning or like Cajun seasoning. You can see this thing just falls apart, you know? It's easy. It's very tender. The chicken. This barbecue sauce, and I don't even need the sauce that I got. It's actually very just good. It's fresh. It's hot. It's the bacon mac and cheese. No, one thing I don't find. Where's the bacon? I guess they're just the bacon pieces right here. Oh man, I just want to take a bite of that one.
Hey, how you doing today?
These beans,
Good.
they're very good. Sweet.
Do a regular pulled pork sandwich.
I think this is the better sauce. Well, I can't tell the difference, but this one is the one that gave us an extra. It's like the apple cider jack. I like that a lot. And then definitely just like put your brisket here that just falls apart into that apple cider barbecue sauce or apple jack sauce. Take a look.
Okay.
Oh, it is very good. Now, I'm definitely excited to finish that one. I thought that was really funny. There is a little dick in us all. Oh my god. Wow. That thing just fell apart as soon as I squeezed it. That's the kind of barbecue that you want. That's just falls apart really easy. Whatever their cooking method is, I want to know. Oh man, I think this corn is just fabulous. I gotta say, out of all the sides, this is probably my favorite. Because who doesn't like deep fried, corn? I saw they got pork rinds. I really want to try those pork rinds. They're like chicharrones, I'm telling you right now, that chicken, you can see that moisture. So damn juicy chicken. I kind of regret something. I didn't see that they got a St. Louis style ribs. I should have got the St. Louis style ribs. Big regret here. All right, so we got the pork rinds here. You can actually hear it popping still in the bag. That's pretty crazy, right? You can actually hear it popping. Wow. So we're gonna try this one out. So I love eating these. In the Philippines, what we actually do is we dip this in the vinegar. So I'm taking it home and try to dip it on a vinegar. But we're gonna try it out here for now. It's got seasoning in it. They put their dry rub in it. We're gonna try it out. All right, we're gonna try this pork rinds. It smells good. It smells just like the corn. I think they put the same rub in with this. Oh, very good. Oh my god.
Oh no, I don't know that one.
I can't wait to take this home and dip it on vinegar.
No.
Wow. This pork rind here, you definitely have to come and try the pork rind in this place. Wow. I don't even need vinegar with this one. My god. Seasoning is so good. I'm so full right now. I got some to go with the beans and the mac and cheese. Or the mac and the bacon mac and cheese. But man, I can't stop eating this. But I gotta stop because I gotta go. That's so good. So I'm so full right now. We just finished eating that barbecue. So yeah, I think that the chicken was really good. You saw the juiciness of it, the brisket. I think I finished the brisket first, but I really like the chicken. The apple jack sauce is definitely something worth to try in that place. The pork and beans is good. It's very sweet though, so if you don't like something, the pork and beans would be very sweet. It might not be something for you. The corn definitely must try. That corn was delicious.
What else? What I got? I got the bacon mac and cheese. That was okay. I would rather try something else. But another thing that you must try, or maybe take it to go, you know, get the pork rinds. Definitely get the pork rinds. The pork rinds is delicious, and get the seasoning with it, because if you don't get the seasoning with it, it's not gonna be good. I'm got some like to go for the pork rinds, and I'm gonna take it home to go, and I'm gonna try to dip it with the, you know, Filipino vinegar. So I'm gonna try it out if it works out. But without even dipping it on anything, it's actually really good already. So I actually met somebody inside with one of the customers, and she suggested to me to get the hot sauce. So they have, I forgot the name, but they have a specific hot sauce that they have in that restaurant, and she apparently dips it with the pork rind. So that's something that you can try. But anyway, I gotta go. Pigzout.